Hello everyone and welcome on this tutorial on how to push to GitHub. Okay, so first off you want to open up your terminal and travel to your working directory. In my case is this. In order to initialize a local repository, you're going to have to type in git init. Okay, now this has initialized a local repository in your computer. In order to create a remote repository, you go to github.com, and then once you're here, you're gonna have to click this plus sign. You say new repository and you give it a name. In my case, I've been working on a project, so I'm gonna just give it the project's name, GOT. For the description, I'm gonna just say this is a YouTube tutorial, and then you can click to have a readme file. It is always recommended to do so. In my case, I won't because my project already has one. So you say create repository. Now you have created a local repository in your terminal, and then you have a remote repository too. Now, in order to check the status of your files, you say git status, and then these are the files that are ready to be put into the staging area. So in order to put them into the staging area, you say git add dot. The dot means all of them, and then you say git status to check the status, and you can see they're green now because they're ready to be committed to your local repository. They're in the staging area now. You say git commit -m new files. You can name the message whatever. You can put it as whatever you want, but it's recommended to keep it in the present tense because a project is normally never ended, You're always upgrading it and updating stuff in it. So it is recommended by convention to keep it in the present tense because of that. Okay, so now you can check your commits that you've made in your local repository by doing git log. And you can see, in my case, I only have one right now because that's the only one we've done. And you can see each commit is going to have a unique hash number that's going to be able to tell you this is this commit at this time, and that's how it tells. Okay, so now you want to push this commit into the remote repository so you can see it in your browser, right? In order to do that, you have to connect them. To connect them, you say git remote add origin https://github.com your username for your GitHub account the name of the project, in my case this, or you can simply just copy it from here, which is faster. I like to do it like this, type it out because muscle memory, that way I can remember. And then say git. Okay, so now you connected both of the repositories, so you can simply push. You say git push u origin master. Okay, and it's done, 100% done. So now you go to your browser and you refresh it, and there you have it, guys, all the files. Okay, thank you guys. Subscribe, like this if it helped you, and thank you.